In this video, we will show you how to efficiently open and close the doors and hatches of your Porsche Macan. Let's focus on the rear trunk of your vehicle. Opening the tailgate can be done by simply pressing this button. Now, if you open the tailgate, you can actively stop the process by pressing on the tailgate button or on the car key. You can adjust the tailgate to your preferred height manually and then press this button for 3 seconds. An acoustic sound will tell you that the vehicle has acknowledged your preference. Now close the tailgate again. Next time you need the rear trunk, it will open to your individual adjustment. You can also use the foot gesture to open and close the tailgate. To open, stand on the right side of the rear trunk, about here. And make sure to have your car key on you. Now move your foot towards the bumper and back again in one sequence in a kicking motion. The foot gesture function is activated separately in your PCM. Therefore, go to Settings, Vehicle Settings, Vehicle Locking System, and click on Open Boot Lid with foot gesture. We can also use the same foot gesture to close the tailgate. Simply move your foot towards the bumper and back again, and then leave the tailgate area. Similar to the tailgate, you can also open the front hood with a hand gesture. In order for this to work, Comfort Access has to be activated and you need to have your car key with you. I simply swipe my hand from left to right and the trunk will open automatically. Make sure that the hand is close enough to the hood, meaning closer than 5 centimeters, so that the vehicle can recognize the movement. To close the front hood, you have to press it down carefully and make sure that it is locked. Note that for these Comfort Access functions to work, the vehicle must be in park mode and unlocked. Of course, you can open the tailgate and the front hood through other means as well. One way being your car key. You can easily open both through pressing the respective button. When you are sitting inside your car, you also have the options presented to you via the buttons on the door. Now, let's focus on the next feature of your car, the electric charging cover that is optional for the Porsche Macan. If you want to charge your vehicle, you can quickly open the charging cover with your hand. This right here is one of the charge ports of the Porsche Macan. You can find the second charge port on the other side of your vehicle. Now to open the electric charging cover, I merely touch the surface. You don't need to apply pressure at all, a light touch is enough. And if no plug is inserted, the port will close automatically after 2 minutes. So you have a lot of time to get your charging gear ready. Once you're done charging, the cover will automatically close 5 seconds after you pull the plug. The charging cover will also close after you lock the car or if you start the car and are ready to drive. Sitting inside the car, you can also do this easily via the PCM. Simply click on this icon and you now have the option to open and close the doors and hatches of your car. Alternatively, you can do this in the goodbye screen. Now you can manually open or close a port cover, though keep in mind that only one port can be opened at a time. Have fun trying out these features in your Porsche Macan. If you're interested in getting to know your vehicle on a deeper level, feel free to watch our other spot-on videos and check out our YouTube spot-on playlist.